it's raining a lot today, and let's see our birds. What are they doing? Hey, Mani baby, how are you feeling? Right now. Popeye, Sizak, and all the छोटा budgies. I see, I see. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? बारिश हो रही है. Okay, so all kids have become restless as the new budgies have seen rain for the first time with cool breeze. Popeye, Sizak, and Money is feeling very cold. Jeff and First are sitting on Casper's cage. Popeye is heading towards his courtyard, and now he's going to shoo Money. Okay, he's going. 1, 2, 3. Money is scared. Yeah, gone. Popeye shooed Money. It's too windy, so birds are feeling very cold and they are getting themselves close to each other. Popeye is in mood of love, whereas Money and Sizak keep on fighting all day. And all the budgies are sitting in the straight line close together to each other. Popeye, 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 and Chota budgies are flying. I see. Hey, I see. What are you doing alone? Money, Sizu, babies. Money, baby. Up. Good girl. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video, and in the next video I will be introducing my birds with their names to you.